There. You see this vise is now one with the table. Welcome back to the channel. We have this Rivet tool from Newmaster. What this tool does is it inserts threadable rivets into all kinds of material. I've used this professionally in the industrial environment, and I'm really excited to show you guys the potential of this tool. Let's get it open. Let me show you how it works. This is available on Amazon. I'm going to put the links in the description below so you guys can check it out if you're interested. So these are the insertable rivets. And we've got all kinds of different sizes that this comes with, and then I'm sure you can order your favorite size. I'm really familiar with the 3/8 insert. I'm hoping we can get one here. I see here we have a 3/8-16 right here. So let's see if we can find the rivets for it. Perfect, look at that, we got them. I'm going to read the instructions for this, but in my experience, a 1/2-inch hole is perfect for this 3/8 rivet insert. Here you have your nut size and your recommended hole sizes. We can see here SAE, the recommended hole diameter. Oh, it looks like we need a hole diameter in millimeters is 13.5. I was really hoping that that was going to be something a little bit more standard. We're going to have to look up what 13.5 is. Hopefully it's 1/2 inch. Alright, good news. It says here that 13.5 is just over 1/2 inch. Let's get this open. Now, basically in a nutshell, okay? The rivet goes on this threaded portion. You insert this into the hole. At its widest point like this. And then as you close this, you'll see that it pushes forward. And that pulls the rivet into the slot. And then you've got a threaded insert installed in your material. 1. Find your hole. 2. Open the handles. 3. Hold the riveter in your hands and insert the rivet nut into the pre-drilled hole until flush with the plate. 4. Squeeze handles into riveting until the nut deforms and fastens against the plate with no gap. 5. Rotate the installation knob counterclockwise to release the... So pretty much the working stroke of this is 6 millimeters. That's what pulls the rivet down. And yeah, you hold this at 6, you close it, and then it pulls it down. Done. So you might be asking yourself, what are we going to do? Well, let me show you. First off, we need to install the 3/8 insert. So we're going to take our tool here, loosen that, like that, to access that nut. Slide that tool over there, and it slides that collar back. Alright, so the question is, what drill do we use? Let's go with the 998. Again, if you don't know what this is, this thing's called the Chalk Shot. And as you can see, it's really awesome. So we deburred both sides just a little bit on both sides just to get the lip and sharp edges out of there. So this is completely flush down here. And this will drop right in. Ready for our rivet tool. Screw this all the way in. And now this thing is ready to compress. So when we crank down on this, it'll compress this rivet into this hole. Get down here, this thing. And you can see me working it. Ready? And we unscrew this. There we go. Okay, cool. No, that's good. We can see here that they are very stuck on there. On the bottom side, you can see how they're bulged out. They flush. They're not completely flush, but they're not intrusive. They're there forever until you drill them out. So now we can take our 3/8 bolts.
Wow, I gotta say, I'm pretty experienced with this tool, and I knew that it was going to be good, but this thing still exceeded my expectations. Everything just worked flawlessly.
There. You can see this vise is now one with the table. This vise does not hold a 4x4, and this vise will. It always comes with a stupid oil coat on it. So what we're going to do, we're going to put brake cleaner on this. And only put oil where it needs it. So that is how you use this tool. That's a practical use for this tool. And I'm really happy to have it. It works flawlessly. The rivets expand out exactly as designed. And yeah, this is awesome. I can unscrew this now. Beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.